What's that difference in like somebody who's selling 30,000 plus a month consistently versus the person who's like, oh, I did 25K this month, but then next month they're doing like 5K. And then like the month after, maybe nothing.
I think a lot of it has to do with speed and understanding the faster that you can turn your inventory, the better for cash flow, the ability to compound your growth. It's kind of the magic pill that Amazon sellers have, is the fact that we can turn inventory so fast. But then I see a lot of people who will be like, oh, well, the price dipped on this, and so I'm going to hold, I'm going to wait it out. And I think that's a bad idea.
Can you give us like a time frame for like when you should sell?
What I do is from day 0 to day 30, I need to get a 20% minimum ROI on my money. At day 30, I'll go all the way down to a 0% ROI. I'll be happy to break even. Day number 90, I'm willing to take a 20% loss to get any capital back so that I can put that back into the business.